My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and in this video I'm going to be introducing you to a really cool variety of herb that I absolutely love. In this video I'm going to be talking about winter savory. We think winter savory is a little bit of an underrated herb. Those of you who have grown winter savory before will know exactly what I mean. The foliage has got a delicious peppery flavour to it. It's perfect for adding to soups and stews or bean dishes. We love adding winter savory to chili con carne. Foodies absolutely love this variety, and once you've started using winter savory you'll see exactly what I mean. It really is an awesome variety to grow. So how do you grow winter savory? Well, you're going to want to plant this amazing plant somewhere sunny and free draining. If you're putting it in a pot, try and pot it up with a little bit of extra grit just to help the water soak away on those cold, dreary, grey winter days. As I say, it's a sun lover, so plant it full sun. And as it grows, just cut the top third. Cut the top third on a regular basis. You're going to be able to use those ingredients, but it will stop the plant from becoming leggy and woody. My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and I really hope that you've enjoyed me introducing winter savory to you in this video. If you've got any questions about growing winter savory, or indeed growing other herbs that I've mentioned today, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. Follow Urban Herbs on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube, and let us know what you think of this content. Until next time guys, thank you so much for your time watching, it's really appreciated. See you soon.